M0FXB, welcome to my channel. Uniden have launched the BCD 160Dn scanner and it does receive DMR Nxdn. So I thought, well, hey, I've got an OpenSpot 3 Pro, but you may have an OpenSpot 4 Pro, and it does transmit DMR. Now, not sure about Nxdn, I'm going to try it, but first thing we're going to do is just test some DMR. So what we'll do, okay, we'll set the scanner to my frequency of my OpenSpot, which is, we'll press hold, 431.550, then press hold again. Don't press enter, press hold, and we're on that channel. Mode wise, hopefully we're on auto, but I don't think you can select digital, but you can select auto. So you just go function mode. Function, you have to press it twice once you've done it once. Mode. 1, 2, mode. 1, 2, mode. 1, 2, mode. 1, 2, mode. They are. Cool. At auto now. So with the OpenSpot, the quickest way to do this is to go quick setup. We'll say we're on a DMR radio, but if you look here, it does say Nxdn, and I have never used an Nxdn radio ever. This is my first experience. But first of all, we're going to do DMR. Save the best to last. We'll go DMR. We need to set the frequency, because that's the nice thing about the OpenSpot 3, is you can set the frequency as you do the quick setup. So 431.550, and that's a bit faint for you to see if you've ever used an OpenSpot, but it's just here, okay? And I can, I'll do the same video, but I'll use my PC next time. But with the OpenSpot, you're using your browser, you're using an IP address. So if I put the same IP address into my computer, my laptop, my tablet, it's still going to work. So anyway, 433.550. Sorry, 431.550. We're going to use Brandmeister, and we do need to get our Brandmeister password in there. So go to Brandmeister Self-Care. Most people that know DMR are going to know that they need to have a password set, and we've got that set. So that's fine. And I use as a server, so if you're new to DMR, imagine a computer that's doing all the work. Well, the one that I use for the UK is called United Kingdom 2341. It's a server. It's doing all the work, connecting us to different talk groups. DMR ID, yes, you have to have a ham radio license, and you have to have a DMR ID, 2341437. So go out there and pass your test, right? And then we're going to choose the group that we're going to connect to, and I might as well connect to 91. The reason I choose talk group 91 is because it's busy. But there's lots of other ones. I like 2350 as well. I'm just trying to find, it should, there it is there, 91 worldwide. Select, and then hit connect, and push the volume up. Okay.
Italy Zulu 5 Whiskey Sierra Radio, Michael, I copy me.
As you can see, DMR working great, but I know we're going to try Nxdn, but remember,
Nation got a good signal here this morning, getting ready to go to work, so yeah, I ain't gonna be on here long. I was drinking me
the OpenSpot 3 will cross mode to D-Star and DMR. So let's do quick setup. This time, yeah, we always have to say we're on DMR radio, because this is only a DMR radio. And if you had a ham radio, it would be the same rule, okay? This time we're going to say we're on a DMR radio, fine. But we're going to say we're on D-Star. So let's go to Reflector XRF. Sorry about all the noise. That's actually my Zello app on my phone.
Yeah, no
just
problem.
To show you.
Got my postcode keyed into your sat nav.
There you go. Go to Zello. That's Zello, and I highly recommend you get Zello, by the way. And join Network Radios by G1YPQ. But anyway, exit that for now. And this time we've told it to connect to Reflector 1 Charlie C module. Connect.
OpenSpot connected to REF001 Charlie.
And we are now on D-Star. I know it says DMR,
Have a great morning there to you.
but we are on D-Star and our dashboard is here.
Roy, and thanks for the QSO.
Isn't that cool?
Greatly appreciated. And
D-Star.
see you across the pond there. And,
Not sure why we're not getting the
thanks for
dashboard.
the walk there, fellas.
Did I?
Golf 6, Tango Papa Golf. Washington.
Not sure why. Normally that will show, but anyway. They are. It started to come through then. Okay, so we've done D-Star. There's the call sign there. And I'm telling you, that's the first time you've ever heard D-Star on a Uniden scanner. Well, a Uniden 160 scanner. Because you can do the same thing on the 3600 and you can do the same thing on the SDS100, 200 because they receive DMR. But this is a 160DN. Right, let's do Fusion, C4FM. Remember, we always have to start with DMR radio. Then we're going to go to FCS, which is C4FM, America Link. It's already preset. Connect. And now we're going to do America Link. Obviously, I can't talk to them.
OpenSpot connected to XCS 450 room 37.
And we just need someone to speak. Unfortunately, it's not busy, which is a shame. We could try CQ UK, they're quite busy, so we'll go quick. That's also C4FM. DMR, FCS, and then at the top here, I'll just put in, start to type CQ, and hopefully we'll see CQ UK. There's a couple options there. We'll try that one. CQ UK wires X, connect.
OpenSpot connected to XCS 2 room 91.
Again, you still get the dashboard. This is why I recommend the Pro. The good thing about the 3 is it did cross mode on everything. D-Star and DMR, everything. And the same goes for the 4 Pro. But the problem with the 4 Pro, it's a lot of money. Anyway, so it looks like no activity there. So we've already know we can do DMR. Let's do Nxdn now, which I've never done. I don't really know which rooms have activity, but we'll do it anyway. We'll go quick setup, DMR, Nxdn, and look at the other choices you've got here. You've got DMR Plus. You can do TGIF if you've heard of that DMR. And yeah, not sure what these are. But anyway, so we're going to go Nxdn reflector. And we don't really know where to join because I don't know who's busy. So, anyone got any ideas? See if one there that looks popular. Greece. Someone send me a message. PA7LIM's got one. Let's try PA7LIM. Connect.
OpenSpot connected to Nxdn reflector.
Right.
21468.
I've just realised that we're actually cross-moding and we're still receiving via DMR. But what we'd like to do, because it does say it receives Nxdn, is go quick setup, start as Nxdn. Yeah? And so then it's going to be receiving Nxdn. But then we can then choose Brandmeister, which is hopefully busy, connect, and we should receive Nxdn. Did you see that? It actually had different numbers there. It actually said NX. Now we should get more because Talk Group 921 is busy.
851.
So look at that. That's got to be a first. Nxdn. Got the clearest signal. But Nxdn on a Uniden 160 coming from an OpenSpot.
Right, so just chat with this fella here. So, I'll see if he's still there.
That is Nxdn. Bye for now, 7-3.